Hey, so you clicked on this video because you want to get paid from those style boards you've been sending your clients. So I'm not talking about paid one time, but paid twice, because of course your customer, your client is going to be paying you once for getting the style board, right? So of course they're going to want to pay you twice. You want to get paid on the back end. So how do you do that? So I'm going to kind of break it down. Let me get my notes because I will start rambling on this video real quick. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Jewel Alexandra, and I am all things fashion, all things e-com, mostly fashion. I've had every fashion job you can think of. I just added fashion design to my experience. And I was known for a wardrobe styling, personal stylist. I actually recorded a video, which I will link below in the comments, that has reached 22,000 views, which is crazy to me. I actually recorded it 2020 during the pandemic, and it was how to create a style board. So some of the questions I got and received from that video was, how do I tag, or how do I tag the links on the style board so that customers can click and then they can go into the website or whatever to buy that specific item. So there's multiple ways to do this, and I'm going to show you specifically how to do this. But why do you want to even do this? First of all, because we want to know why is the reason why we want shoppable links on our style boards. So there are 4 different reasons why, and of course stay to the end so I can show you a tutorial and get into that. But 4 reasons that you want to go ahead and tag your shoppable links to your style board. One reason is, of course, you want to track your customers' activities. So your customers or your clients' activities. So for example, you want to see what they're clicking on, what they're most interested in, why are they clicking that specific shirt, that specific dress, that specific shoes, because obviously they're clicking it because they are interested in that product. They may want to see additional looks with that product in the future. You want to track that specific data so that you know what to send them next time. You know if the experience is a good experience based on how many things they're clicking on your style board. The second reason is it's an interactive experience for your clients. They're able to click around for shoppable links instead of just getting a board that's not clickable. Where do I find these items? How am I going to shop these items? It's very interactive because once they click it, they're going to that specific website to go ahead and make that purchase. And it's very interactive for them. The third reason is it's a learning experience for you. So again, that just piggybacks on the tracking. So you're learning your clients from what they're clicking. You're learning your clients based on what they're purchasing, based on their activities and what they're doing. It's all about analytics. It's all about data so that you know what to show them in the future, and are they happy with what you sent them? They paid money for this style board, right? So you want to know that the experience is great for them. You want a customer that's going to be a repeat customer so that you can build your retention. Okay, and the last reason is you want to get paid twice. You want to get paid twice. So I spoke about this in the beginning of the video. So basically what that is if you set up shoppable links on your style board, you can set up on the back end where you're getting paid twice. So you're getting paid for the client purchasing the style board, and you're also getting paid for the client making that specific purchase. And I am going to show you reasons on how to do that. Or how am I going to get paid twice? Of course, you're wondering, you're asking, like, how am I going to get paid twice? How do I get paid for what they're purchasing? what are the steps that I do, which I will be explaining that right after I show you the tutorial on how to tag your products and make the style board an interactive experience for your clients, as well as make them shoppable links. So stay with us. We're gonna go to the computer now. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna start by going to start a style board, which this is gonna kind of be a preview of me trying to do a style board on Canva. So you guys kind of get that tutorial as well, because I need some images on my computer for a style board. It's been a minute since I created one. So let me go to Nordstrom.com, and then I'm gonna go to the women's section. I'm gonna pick some of their new arrivals so we can do um a fall one. This is a cute little sweater from Vince Camuto. They don't have the option to that's cut out, but I also want to show you guys how to do something without it being cut out as well. So say for instance, this is the model, she's already in it. How would this even look or whatever? How can you guys go about taking the model out, or how can you go about of like if somebody is in the actual picture. So I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this. I think this will work. Also, you see I'm getting her from the neck down, and then I'm getting the sleeves as well so that people can see the sleeves. So I'm going to go ahead and screenshot that. See if they have any other images. So they don't. These are the only ones. So that's fine. And then let's look for some pants. We can do some jeans. And I don't want to be scrolling forever, so I'm just gonna pick these jeans. And then they have a nice photo where it's all cut out. So that's cool. And then for now, that's all I'm gonna do because I'm not gonna do a whole full outfit. So then I'm gonna go into my Canva. Of course, we want it for social media, so I'm gonna hit the Instagram post square to create a blank one. Okay, I'm gonna upload the images to Canva on my desktop. So these are the two images. And then let's go ahead and put that one on. And then this one. Okay, so Canva has the option, if you have the pro account, you can edit the photo and then you can remove the background, right? So this is one way you can do it. So the background's removed, but obviously we don't want these black pants in there. So there's an option where if you click on the remove BG remover again, you have the option to erase some things from the picture. So you can go ahead and erase the pants just like this by using this brush. The brush can be different sizes if you want it smaller, or you can have it bigger. So go ahead and remove that part. I don't really need her hand, just want the sweater itself. There we go. And obviously, say for instance, you made a mistake. So like, say for instance, this is a mistake. You can press restore and it'll literally restore back to what it used to be. So that helps out a lot, because if you make that small mistake, say for instance, you cut off too much or you didn't want it to look like that, like there's a way, that's a way to save your mistake. So of course I'm going to cut off her head as well. This isn't perfect, but again, it's given the idea Like the sleeve part isn't perfect. I probably would have picked another picture where it shows the whole entire sleeve instead. But this is what we got for now. So then you're gonna click, you're gonna click out of it, and then it's automatically saved. So you're good to go. Oops, there we go. Okay. I hate when it does that. It just been like doing weird stuff. Okay, so now we have the jeans. See, it went back to normal. All right, so just try your best when it comes to the BG remover. Just because, like, honestly, it is not the best. But honestly, what I would do is I would just crop this. I would just crop it to like here. It shows that it's a sweater. I would still do the background remover because you want everything to be removed. And then I will also crop her face a little bit like that. And your customer will get the idea that you're showing the specific sweater. Same thing with this. I'll do the background remover. And you can even put the pants on top like this. Well, of course, resize it and then put the top off like this, or just keep it separate. But now we're going to talk about how to create the links because I kind of went off topic. So, say for example, you wanted the link for these jeans, because I have the link here for the jeans. So I would copy this, and then I would literally click on the jeans, click the dots, and then put link. I will put the link in, press enter, and the link is added. So now how do you share this with your client? So there's different ways to share this. So you can share on social media, you could share to Instagram, send to a phone, public view link, template link, present it. There's all these different ways. So say, for example, you wanted to just do a public view link, right? You can create where you'll have all your style boards together for your customer, right? They'll all have their own links and the style boards. And then you'll have a public link, you press copy, and then let's see, paste. And then your client can literally see it here. So it shows that there's only, of course, there's only one slide, but then your client clicks it and it goes directly to the page. So that's one way to do it. Okay. The second way you can also do is you can go ahead and obviously you can convert it to a website if you wanted to. I wouldn't suggest. You can make it into a PowerPoint, which is really cool because from the PowerPoint, you can do it as a PDF, but you can also download it as a PDF. So say, for example, you just want this one page, download as a PDF. Okay, and then same thing, the link works. So there's so many different ways you can do it, but that is exactly how you would create shoppable links for your clients to basically shop. But now let's talk about how you get paid from your clients clicking these shoppable links and then purchasing the product. How would you get paid on the back end? So stay with it. Okay, now you know how to create shoppable links for your clients, and we ran through that whole tutorial. Go ahead and visit this video, save this video, subscribe to our channel. We will be uploading more videos as well, but now you know how to do it. So now you're wondering, how do I get paid twice? So there are specific websites where you can set up affiliate links. So one of my favorite is Collective Voice, and they offer a program of affiliate links where there's multiple brands on there. Obviously, this is not a sponsorship. I'm not getting paid to mention their name. This is just one that I'm recently using. So they have specific brands where you can earn specific tiers of commission. So you're going to use these specific links, tag the product that you're showing on your style board that you're showing clients. You can make up to 16%, 25% commission, 14%. Like, there's different percentages based on the company that is offering the percentage. So there's companies like Target, there's Amazon, there's I believe there's Old Navy, there's all different shops. Saks is on there if you want to if you're showing your clients something more luxury. So that is how you're going to be able to get paid twice, by using an affiliate link service. There's multiple affiliate marketing link services out there. You can Google it. There's also Like to Know It, I believe, LTK, where you can also earn money from tagging links as well. But you're going to use those specific links from your profile to basically to tag as a shoppable link for your clients. And then once they go to that website, it's gonna take them to the website with your affiliate link. Once they make that purchase, you can track it on the back end to see if they purchased or not, how many times they clicked, etc., etc. You have all the data at your fingertips using these specific platforms. But that's how you get paid twice, because one, you're getting paid from them purchasing the style board from you. Two, you're getting paid on the back end from the affiliate. I'm also going to be dropping a new updated video for how to create a style board, because I know the last one is very outdated because Photoshop is brand new. PowerPoint is brand new. Canva is another way that you can do it. And I'm also going to upload a new video about how to do these style boards on the go. So stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and then also like this video as well and comment. Thanks. Bye.